It's been a rainy day in New York City. We're still talking about this situation in New York because this is from breaking news about raining. We're going to check this in Openbve. It was probably raining before, but it was stop. Well, not. It's going to stop raining later on. It was been a rainy day outside because we can't go outside when it's raining. We're very disappointed that we can't go outside because it's raining. Before it's raining outside, that's because they're going to have some outside indoor inside. They're going to check out the station right here. It was raining before it's going to stop raining.